Hello friends, Ideal Others is here. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Ideal Others Science. Friends, as we know that we have started one series that is NCERT summary series, and which book you are looking in front of you, that is class 9th science books, which is based on NCERT. Friends, at the last video we have read out the first chapter of this book, and we have read the summary and some important points of that chapter. And today we will read the second chapter and name of the second chapter is matter around us pure. It means हमारे आसपास के पदार्थ क्या शुद्ध होते हैं. And friends, without wasting our time, we should go on the chapter 2. Let's start it. Friends, this is the chapter 2 and here is written is matter around us pure, and we have to read the summary of this chapter, and please go on the summary and start to read it. Friends, as we know that NCERT gives the summary as a written here what you have learned. It means आपने क्या सीखा, and many one-liner points are given here and we will have to read it and try to understand it. So friends, now start to read from here and start it. First point is given here and what is written here, try to read it. Here is written a mixture contains more than one substance, elements and or compound mixed in any proportion. Friends, we have read out the first line of this summary series and try to understand it in Hindi. And what will be the Hindi of this line? Here is written a mixture contains more than one substance, elements and or compounds mixed in any proportion. It means मिश्रण में एक से अधिक पदार्थ, तत्व तथा यौगिक किसी भी अनुपात में मिले होते हैं. This is the Hindi of this line. And second line is given here and we will read it and try to understand in English, in Hindi and both language. And second line is given here. What is written? Here is written mixture can be separated into pure substance using appropriate separation techniques. And what will be the Hindi of this line? And this line is given here in Hindi. मिश्रणों को पृथक करने के लिए उचित विधियों से शुद्ध पदार्थों में पृथक्करण किया जा सकता है. And next line is given here. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The major component of a solution is called the solvent and the minor the solute. And what will be the Hindi of this line? I will try to understand you guys. And Hindi of this line is विलयन दो या दो से अधिक पदार्थों का समांगी मिश्रण है, यानी होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर है. एंड आफ्टर डैट विलयन के बड़े अवयव को विलायक कहते हैं और अवयव को विलय कहते हैं, यानी बड़े अवयव को विलायक कहते हैं, यानी क्या कहते हैं, सॉल्वेंट कहते हैं, और छोटे अवयव को जो माइनर होते हैं कंपोनेंट उसको सॉल्यूट करते हैं. एंड शिफ्ट टू द नेक्स्ट point. And next point is given here. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present per unit volume or per unit mass of the solution. And this is line given here in English and I'm trying to understand you guys in Hindi. And what will be the Hindi of this line is विलयन की सांद्रता उसके इकाई आयतन में उपस्थित विलय का द्रव्यमान अथवा आयतन है. And this is the Hindi line of this English line. And next line is given here. Materials that are insoluble in a solvent and have particles that are visible to naked eyes form a suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. And here is given in English and I'm trying to understand you in Hindi. And Hindi of this line will be वह पदार्थ जो विलायक में अघुलनशील तथा आंखों से देखा जा सकता है वह निलंबन कहलाता है. क्या कहलाता है? निलंबन कहलाता है. निलंबन एक विसमांगी मिश्रण होता है, यानी हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. निलंबन जो होता है हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर उसे कहते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव रीड आउट द अप्रॉक्स 5 one-liner points of this chapter and 6 point is given here. And what have given here, try to read it. Here is written colloids are heterogeneous mixture in which the particle size is too small to be seen with the naked eye but is big enough to scatter light. Colloids are useful in industry and daily life. The particles are called the dispersed phase and the medium in which they are distributed is called the dispersion medium. And what will be the Hindi of this line is meaning will be colloid एक विसमांगी मिश्रण है. Here is written colloid are heterogeneous mixture. It means colloid एक क्या है, heterogeneous mixture है. आफ्टर दैट जिसके कणों का आकार इतना छोटा होता है कि उन्हें सरलता से देखा नहीं जा सकता है, किंतु इतना बड़ा है कि ये प्रकाश के फैलाव कर सकने में सक्षम होते हैं. कोलाइड उद्योगों में तथा दैनिक जीवन में महत्वपूर्ण है. विलेय कणों को परिक्षिप्त परावस्था कहते हैं और विलायक जिसमें ये पूरी तरह से वितरित होते रहते हैं उसे परिक्षेपण माध्यम कहते हैं. एंड दिस इज द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन्स. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज गिवन हेयर फ्रेंड्स. what is written here, try to read it. Pure substance can be elements or compounds. An element is a form of matter that cannot be broken down by chemical reaction into simpler substances. A compound is a substances composed of two or more different type of elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion. And I have read the English and now try to understand you in Hindi. And Hindi of this line will be, शुद्ध पदार्थ तत्व या यौगिक हो सकते हैं. प्योर मैटर जो होते हैं वो तत्व या यौगिक हो सकते हैं. तत्व पदार्थ का मूल रूप होता है जिसे रासायनिक क्रिया द्वारा सरल पदार्थों में विभाजित नहीं किया जा सकता है. यौगिक वह पदार्थ है जो दो या दो से अधिक तत्वों के स्थिर अनुपात में रासायनिक रूप में संयोजन से निर्मित होते हैं, जो यहाँ पर लिखा गया है. नाउ शिफ्ट टू द लास्ट पॉइंट एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट point, and we will have to read it and try to understand in Hindi and English, both language. And what is written here? Here is written, properties of a compound are different from its constituent elements, whereas a mixture show the properties of its constituting elements or compounds. And this was the last point of this summary chapter. And what will be the Hindi of this line? इट मीन्स यौगिकों के गुण उसमें निहित तत्वों के गुणों से भिन्न होते हैं, जबकि मिश्रण में उपस्थित तत्व और यौगिक अपने अपने गुणों को दर्शाते हैं. यहाँ कहा गया है जो मिश्रण में जो यौगिक होते हैं वो अपने अपने गुणों को अलग अलग दर्शाते हैं, लेकिन यौगिक के गुण उसमें निहित तत्वों के गुणों से डिफरेंट होते हैं. यहाँ लिखा है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ कंपाउंड आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इट्स कंस्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट्स एंड वेयर एज अ मिक्सचर शोज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट्स constituting elements or compounds. Friends, we have read out the summary of this chapter, and today we have read out second chapter name was is matter around us pure. It means क्या पदार्थ हमारे चारों ओर जो होते हैं वो शुद्ध होते हैं. Now in next video we will read out the next chapter, that's name is chapter number 3 and atoms and molecules. That chapter name is atoms and molecules, यानी अणु और परमाणु. Friends, now we will in the video, and now I am requesting to you all, which person have watched still here and you are my video and I am doing hard work. If you feel this video is very helpful for your upcoming examination, you can subscribe my channel and like the videos and share the videos. So thank you very much to watch still here. Thank you so much.